Planning is the fundamental management function which involves deciding beforehand what is to be done, when is it to be done, how is it to be done, and who is going to do it. Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you some of the key areas of planning while starting a new school. Stay tuned. Welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you some of the key areas of planning while starting a new school. If this is your first time of seeing this channel, I am so excited to have you here. My name is Ijoma. I'm a school business owner. I've been in school business for 10 years and it has been a fulfilling vocation for me. So if you're looking for an inspiration on how you can start and manage your school effectively, you are in the right place. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers out there, God bless you all. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you some of the key areas of planning when starting a school. Starting a new business venture always carries risk, and schools are no exemption. So before investing your money, time, effort and energy setting up a new school, it's important you have a concrete and effective plan you believe in. Having a plan allows you to move forward with confidence in turning your dreams to reality. Planning from the time of conception of the idea of starting a new school till it becomes operational is deemed necessary. However, in this video, we are going to be looking at some of the key areas of planning while starting a new school. And if you're ready, let's jump right in. Number 1 is location. Your school's location is key to successful operations and overall growth. So a good location based on adequate research on the proper target audience has to be considered. It should also have good connectivity to residential areas within a radius of 10 to 12 kilometers along with IT hubs and industries in the vicinity. Number 2 is market demand. Market demand should be considered at the onset based on the existing schools in the neighborhood. Planning for a survey and conducting interview with the local stakeholders, including the parent community, will result in the feasibility study required to comprehend the market demand. Number 3 is business plan. Business plan is a must-have document. It serves as a roadmap for your new school with answers to what, why, how, and when questions of accomplishing the task of setting up a new school. It also serves as an important documentation for potential investors to decide whether your school business is worth investing in. Number 4 is infrastructure. Since infrastructure plays a vital role in any school, the same has to be planned in great detail, including but not limited to spacious classrooms, a well-set library, playgrounds, laboratories, with a suitable design and structure adhering to all the rules of the affiliated board. Number 5, curriculum and board. Based on the decision of the board, a plan on the choosing curriculum has to be made. This will give a clear picture to proceed with a further course of action. Number 6, policies and procedures. Before the school becomes operational, a comprehensive plan regarding all policies and procedures, which goes beyond student and staff handbooks, needs to be in place for the smooth running of the school. Number 7 is recruiting qualified staff. Comprehensive planning on the recruitment procedure needs to be established, with details of the positions, minimum qualification, experience, and more. Number 8 is fee structure. An appropriate fee structure has to be planned, which is convenient both for parents and the school. Number 9 is enrollment projection. It is advisable to plan for the intended capacity of the school and for the growth of enrollment from the first year to the peak capacity year. Enrollment projection based on market demand also need to be taken into consideration while planning. And number 10, marketing and publicity. Detailed planning on marketing, branding and publicity through a variety of strategies like radio, websites, newspaper advertisement, social media is necessity to promote your news. And number 11, legalities. To avoid any complications in future, it is necessary to be absolutely clear on the legal front, including government documentations, approved government documents like water, health, sanitation, and so on. I hope these tips were helpful. If they were, don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.